money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So D, I'm back with another video. And today, I got me the Purge mask. Seen this thing on Facebook, wanted to order it, see what it looked like, play around with it. Now it's supposed to light up with LED lights. So let's see what it looks like. We're gonna use our zombie knife today. Cause you know, ready for that apocalypse. Alright, so this is the packaging that it comes in. Not too happy about that. Feel like, you know, probably got scratched up, bumps and bruises. But this is supposed to be from the last Purge movie. Let me put this down. So, basically, this is the side that you put your face on. This thing looks super damn cheap. It was cheap though, it was like $25. So it was an impulse buy. Seen it, thought it was official. So yeah, as you can see, the mask is wild cheap. Made out of like plastic from, you know, when you was a kid, those little masks you put on that you buy like from 99-cent store. The paint is coming off of it. It's already chipped. They didn't do a good job on this side with the paint. I don't know if you can see the blush. So this thing was like rushed to get kicked out. Yeah, this is a cheap ass mask. Ain't nothing what you get from Party City. But like I said, it was an impulse buy. I just wanted to do something now. This is the remote to have it light up. And shit, for $25, man, they should have fucking gave me batteries. Like, god damn. Fucking cheap. I mean, that's some $25 for a fucking dollar mask with some fucking $3 LED, you know what I mean, shit here. Come on, could have given me free batteries. Could have given me 99-cent batteries too. You should just made it a whole 99-cent gig. But instead of a $2 for $25, they gave you they give you this bullshit. Alright, listen, let me find some motherfucking batteries, man, cause this shit is driving me ape shit right now, just thinking about it. But like I said, it was an impulse buy, and I do that shit a lot. Let me find some batteries, man. Let me see if I can put this battery in there. Make sure if it don't explode. This is for the Xbox, but yeah, let's try it out. See what happens. I won't allow it. Let's try something else. Alright. I got one rechargeable battery and one probably used up Duracell, but let me see. I just want to see if it works. I have a whole bunch of batteries in the closet. I ain't gonna go in there right now. Alright, so do y'all hear that noise? Alright, so let's see what this thing looks like with the lights off. I ain't gonna front. After I put that shit in, put the batteries in, I'm starting to kind of feel it a little bit. Like, just to have it walking down the street, I think it would look gangster, but let me see. Hold on, let me turn the lights off. See what's up. I ain't gonna front. That noise, though, that white noise from the light, it's a lot. Just imagine walking down the street like that. I mean, what up? Ooh, you're in a blank effect. Okay, that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Alright, so I think, you know, I take that back, even though, you know, the material is wild cheap. I like the whole thing. I like the whole effects and stuff with the lights. So I give it a plus on that. You know what I mean? But yeah, I guess I'm gonna rock this for Halloween. Have some fun with it. Now the cord, is wrapped up. It does have a, looks like here, let me see, a connector so you can unconnect it if you need to. Let me see. Yeah. So the remote here disconnects. You plug it back in. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So just in case, you know, something breaks, you can, you know, replace it. But I'm thinking about making a video with me rocking it with the nunchucks. I mean, let me know what you think. You know what I mean? I might just do it anyway, no matter what y'all think. But, you know what I mean? We rocking my zombie knife, my glow-in-the-dark joint. Yeah, check this out. Pretty dope. But that's about it. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see here. And, you know, hit me in the comments if you have any questions. Like I said, I got it from Facebook. I'm going to see if I can find a link where I got it from exactly. It had different colors. And post that up for you just in case you're into that whole purge thing and you want the mask. Or if you want to try to cop it for Halloween. Actually, it's not even that many days left to be real. So, you know, but you might could just cop it and keep it for next year. Because who knows what's going to happen next year. Rock something new. But anyway. Just, you know, like and subscribe, you know what to do, and I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.